Hi, my name is Bree Clark, and today I'm going to show you how to make an outline on your computer as a Microsoft Word document. You might have an important speech to give and want to create an outline for it, but you want to do it in Microsoft Word. Well, you can use bullets and numbering to do this very easily. First, in this new blank document, I'm going to choose the numbering layout I want for my first level. I'll click the numbering drop-down and choose the format. I'm going to use uppercase Roman numerals. Then I'll type my first point and press enter. Now by default, Word is going to do number 2 here in Roman numerals, but I want this to be a subheader, so I'm going to press tab. And Word automatically makes that an A, lowercase. If I don't want that though, I could click this drop down and choose a different format. Perhaps I want lowercase Roman numerals. So then I can start typing subpoint 1, press enter, subpoint 2, etc. When I'm done with the sublist, I'll hold down the Shift key and press tab to bump that back out to the main level where I can type point 2. And so you can just go from there. So you can use numbering in Microsoft Word to set up an outline on your computer, and that's how you do it. My name is Bree Clark, and thanks for watching.